Welcome back to InfoHub. Today, we dive into one of the most mysterious and extreme planets in our solar system, Venus. Often called Earth's evil twin, Venus shares many similarities with our home planet, but is also one of the most hostile places in the solar system. So, what makes Venus so terrifying, and could it have once been habitable like Earth? Let's uncover the truth about our fiery neighbor. 1. The twin that went wrong. At first glance, Venus and Earth seem like siblings. They're similar in size, composition, and even their position in the solar system. But while Earth is a paradise for life, Venus is a burning inferno with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. So, what went wrong? Size and gravity. Venus is about 95% the size of Earth and has a similar gravitational pull. Thick atmosphere. Unlike Earth, Venus has a dense atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds. Runaway greenhouse effect. Trapped heat makes Venus the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Despite being Earth's twin in size and structure, Venus took a drastically different path, becoming one of the most extreme worlds in our solar system. 2. The Inferno of Venus. Venus is often called the Hell Planet, and for good reason. Its surface temperatures reach a scorching 475 degrees Celsius (900 degrees Fahrenheit), making it hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. But why thick CO atmosphere? Venus's atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, trapping heat and creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Extreme atmospheric pressure. The air pressure on Venus is 92 times that of Earth, equivalent to being nearly a kilometer underwater. No escape for heat. Unlike Earth, where carbon is absorbed by oceans and plants, Venus has no way to regulate its atmosphere. Imagine stepping onto Venus, you'd be crushed, burned, and poisoned within seconds. 3. Could Venus have once been like Earth? Venus wasn't always this way. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, it might have had oceans and a climate similar to Earth. But what happened? Early Venus had water. Some studies suggest Venus had shallow oceans for 2 to 3 billion years. Sun's role. As the sun grew brighter over time, Venus's water evaporated, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect. Volcanic eruptions. Intense volcanic activity may have contributed to climate change, thickening the atmosphere and sealing Venus's fate. Venus might have been habitable before it turned into a hellish wasteland. Could this happen to Earth one day? 4. Why is Venus called Earth's evil twin? The more we study Venus, the more we see it as a warning sign for Earth. Here's why. Climate disaster. Venus shows what happens when greenhouse gases go unchecked, an extreme version of climate change. Hostile conditions. Unlike Mars, which could potentially support life, Venus is completely uninhabitable. Atmospheric mysteries. Venus has strange wind patterns and unexplained atmospheric chemistry, including the presence of phosphine, a possible sign of microbial life. Is Venus a cautionary tale for our own planet's future? 5. Space missions to Venus. Despite its harsh conditions, scientists have been trying to unlock Venus's secrets for decades. Here are some key missions that have helped us understand the planet. Venera missions 1961 to 1984, Soviet probes that landed on Venus and sent back the first images before being destroyed by the extreme heat. Magellan 1990, NASA's mission that mapped 98% of Venus's surface using radar. Upcoming missions, NASA's Veritas and Da Vinci Plus and Europe's Envision are set to launch in the 2030s to study Venus in more detail. With new missions on the horizon, we may finally uncover Venus's biggest mysteries. 6. Could we ever visit or live on Venus? If Mars is our best hope for colonization, what about Venus? Could we ever set foot on our evil twin? Surface exploration. Impossible with current technology due to heat and pressure. Floating cities? Some scientists propose high-altitude airships where conditions are similar to Earth's atmosphere. Venus versus Mars. While Mars is more hospitable, Venus is closer and has similar gravity, making it an interesting option for future missions. For now, Venus remains an impossible place for humans, but who knows what the future holds? 7. Final thoughts, lessons from Venus. Venus is more than just a fiery wasteland. It's a warning, a mystery, and a world that could have been like Earth but took a different path. Studying Venus not only helps us understand our own planet, but also prepares us for exploring other extreme worlds beyond our solar system. Do you think Venus could have supported life in the past? And should we focus more on exploring Venus instead of Mars? Let us know in the comments. Conclusion, that's all for today's journey to Venus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. What do you think about Venus Earth's evil twin? Let us know in the comments below. For more amazing space content, follow and subscribe to InfoHub. Click on one of these videos to keep exploring the wonders of the universe. See you next time.